This math summary focuses on the order of operations. We often refer to that as BODMAS, which is an acronym where we've grabbed the first letters from several key terms that we need to consider when we're looking at number sentences that have more than one operation. Instead of just 7 plus 5, which has got one operation of addition, we could have multiple different operations: multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction in one number sentence. Well, where do we start? How do we solve them? BODMAS is key. The B stands for brackets. Sometimes questions will have brackets in them, and if they do, that's where you start. It's the first place. The most important thing to look for first is brackets. Then we've got O for order of operations. The D is for division, the M is for multiplication, the A is for addition, and the S is for subtraction. This means division and multiplication are more important. They're the first things we look at after our brackets before we get to anything that's addition or subtraction related. But it's important to note right here that division is not more important than multiplication, they're equal. And addition is not more important than subtraction, they're equal as well. When we look at our different number sentences that we get, we look for division and multiplication and solve that before addition and subtraction. We prioritize either looking for brackets and going there first and solving that first, or putting brackets in around our division and multiplication areas so that we go there first. We put the brackets in only around multiplication and division. We don't need to use them around addition or subtraction, and we move from left across to right when we've solved the brackets and we're solving the rest of the question. By looking at some examples, this will all become very clear. So let's start with 6 plus 2 times 5. It's got brackets, and I know that brackets are the first thing that we attend to. 6 and 2 is 8. I'm just going to write the answer above the bracket so I can remember it for later. 8 times 5 is 40. Now, even though that was addition and that is multiplication, the addition is in the brackets. That becomes first. 18 divided by 7, take away 4. Well, even though it's subtraction in the brackets, which is not as important as division, it's in the brackets, so I do that first. 7 take away 4 is 3. So 18 divided by 3, moving from the left to the right, 18 divided by 3 is 6.
If this short lesson is helping, imagine what over 200 just like it could do. Clear, quick, and confidence building. They're all waiting for you on our website. Now let's get back to it.
Now I look across and there's my bracket, so I go there first. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Now back to the left, moving to the right, 25 take away 5 is 20. If I don't have brackets, I look for any division or multiplication and put brackets in around that. I've got multiplication here with two numbers, I put it around the two numbers. 4 times 6 is 24, plus 3 is 27, and I've solved it. Look for multiplication and division, and there it is. So I'll put my brackets in and solve that first. That makes 10. So 10 subtract 10 is 0. Now I look across and there's division and multiplication. Remember, they're equally important, so I just move from left to right, saying 27 divided by 3 is 9, times 5 is 45. So sometimes the brackets are there, we go them first. If they're not there, we don't waste time by putting brackets in around addition and subtraction. We put them in around multiplication and division, and that's going to be the first place that we go to. So here I've got brackets. 8 and 3 is 11, times 8, 88. 14 divided by, there's the brackets, go there first. 9 take away 7 is 2. 14 divided by 2 is 7. Here's my brackets, I'll go there first. 32 divided by 4 is 8. Now 32 plus 8, moving from left to right, is 40. Here I haven't got brackets. I'll put them in around the multiplication or division parts. 36 divided by 9 is 4, plus 5 is 9. Here I'm going to put my brackets around multiplication and solve that, being 42. 42 subtract 42 is 0. 7 plus 7 times 7. Well, I'm going to put the brackets here and make that 49. And 7 and 49 is 56. I move from first the brackets, second multiplication or division, equally important, and then finally on to addition and subtraction, equally important. Even having several different elements or 7 different numbers and operations in a number sentence, we can solve it moving across to the brackets. This is 14. 5 and 14 is 19. Take away 3 is 16. 18 divided by 9 is 2. 18 take away 2, 16 plus 5 is 21. So BODMAS is order of operations.